Hey guys, this is Dale with Old School Rides. I am here at Matt's. Used to be Mopars at the Strip. I think it's Muscle Cars at the Strip now. And I'm taking a look at some of the cars. I'll do a walkthrough. I'm going to show you guys a lot of the cars that are here. There's tons of parts, vendors, but I think the cars are most interesting this year. So I'm going to focus on them. We'll get you some pictures of some of them and show you some of the features. It's really noisy here. We got race cars on the one side, and we've got a circle track kind of thing going on the other side, and then we just got announcers trying to give stuff away. So bear with me. Alright guys, I'm going to walk through the tent. This is where some of the feature cars are. I just wanted to show you the intake setup on this one. This is a WANT tongue ramp 6-pack. They're super neat. We're sold over the counter. Great intake. I'm going to sneak over here to the Motown Missile. That's a nice vintage car. Look at, we got a dual plug Hemi in it with a couple of Dominators. Neat car. A lot of autographed signatures on the front of this car. That's a nice piece of history right there. We have a couple Mustangs here. Super clean car. Cuda convertible over this way. I'm gonna have to show this car. This one is a Mustang, and it says Hemi on it, if you can see that. And it's actually got a 392 old style Hemi in it. Somehow they shoved that baby down in there. But lots of super neat cars here today. This is got a late model 392 in this Cuda convertible. Very valuable car right there with a neat motor in it. I'm gonna sneak down this other row. Looks like they're dividing it up here. Look at that Blazer. Nice Blazer over there. This is a Fury for Belvedere. This is a Belvedere 65, and he actually has the Max Wedge style intake, but it's a Cross Ram Hemi. I don't know if that's a factory car or not. Here's the Fury, dual quads. This is probably my favorite car next to the Fury right here, is this Plymouth with the Hillborn fuel injection on it, on a big block. That's just nostalgia to me. And really clean car. Look at these fins, if I can get back here behind them. I mean, I love fin cars. What we have here is a Coronet RT with a 426 Hemi in it, Ram Air. Amazing. This is a clean car, and this is a original R-Code car. Really clean. I wanted to make sure we got that one in here. We got a Cuda right there. Not sure what motor's in that one. Let's sneak up here and see. 340 Cuda. Neat. That Charger, I do want to take a quick peek. I love GTXs. My favorite fin car in the back. Oh, love it. Black GTX. I mean, and a green Charger here next to it. Again, these are some of the featured cars down here at this show. Interior is super nice. Oh, the Charger is a Hemi. I mean, nothing better than a Hemi Charger RT. But that GTX, the lines, just amazing to me. It's an air grabber hood. Not sure what motor's in this guy, but beautiful car. Hey guys, I broke away from the main tent area, and we're gonna just walk through and take a peek at some of these cars. I'm just gonna stroll with you. There is not a shortage of Dodge Chargers down here, I will say that. This is a mixed lot, so we'll Trans Ams, and looks like we're getting some a Cuda. we should be able to get a little bit of everything in for you. There's a nice fastback with a late model 392. Well, that's super neat. Nice conversion. Town and Country wagon. We'll have to back up a little bit here. Nice little Nova. Look at that little guy. 152 miles. I'll start him young on these things. Little Chevelle right there. Firebird. Gonna have to sneak around everybody here. RT, Plum Crazy. 344 barrel RT convertible. That's beautiful. I love that yellow. I mean, just beautiful. Black Charger. Looks like we got a little 64 pickup with a big block. Is this a CSS? Maybe. High performance package. D100 CSS. I'm gonna come back and take some pictures on that truck. Little Red Express. They're so cool. Love those stacks. Sabre convertible, and another Mopar, looks like a Barracuda, and a Trans Am. All right, I'm gonna end this row and we'll go back to another one. Well, here we are on another aisle. Looks like we got a cute little orange Dart there, another Dart. I love that 64 pickup. Oh, actually that's like 67, I think. Later model than I thought. Turquoise short bed Mustang Mach 1. Little Las Vegas Jeep. That's fun. Dual quad sticking out the top. Got a little T-bucket. There we go. Got a 413 Max Wedge Belvedere with the cross ramp. That is awesome. I love the black. How about a Mustang GT350? And that is a Shelby. Neat cars, great color. Everybody always calls that petty blue. GTO. Another GTO. Cars here at the show this year. I think everybody was just itching to get out of the house. Not a lot of vendors. Nice little Firebird. And a Chevelle. Looks like another Barracuda. Polara 500. That's cool. Looks like he's got a 426 in it. That's kind of neat. Love black. Black just makes a car pop. All that chrome. Nice little Chevy panel. A Galaxy. A lot of gold paint. That is an expensive paint job right there. Woo. Look at that RT convertible. Let's say 68. 69 probably. Another goat. Coming down here a little farther, Oldsmobile Cutlass. Oh goodness. Here is a little rat rod pickup with a big block blown Chevy in it. That's got to be a scary ride. That's a straight axle suspension. Got another Dodge Dart 64. That's really pretty. And everybody needs a Pinto with a V8. That was from my high school days right there, guys. Pinto with a V8. Well, I skipped a few rows down here at the end. Nice little Husker. Nice little white stripes. Oh, you guys, this Barracuda was really unique. So this is a 340 car. walked by it earlier. What's cool about it is it was owned by a police officer. He's got electronics all over. It was actually used in service, and everything was documented the way that the gentleman had it. The guy that bought this car just was lucky enough to get it 100% preserved, pretty much, from the way the original owner had it set up, and was actually using it. Super neat car. And all original, and I think it has like 200,000 miles on it, guys. Great car, great car. Oh, and we got a Hemi Charger over here with a Paxton Supercharger and a Hemi in it. Woo! That's a lot. Paxton Supercharged 426 Hemi. It's gotta run good. So I could not. Got a 300 Cordova. Another Dodge Dart GT. 344. That is a pretty Impala right there. Not gonna lie. Little Barracuda Fastbacks, just like Sam's. Old school rides. Nice Challenger. That's a 72 with those little Scoopy deals on the sides. 340 car. Nice little Mustang coupe. And there's tons of other cars. I'm gonna take a minute to pan. There's a nice little Cuda right there. Late model Hemi in it. There's Mustangs. There's so many late model cars here. I kind of skipped past a lot of those just to give you guys the view of the old stuff. It looks like we're getting newer as we go down. Hey, there's one of my favorites. You know what? I'll do a video and take you guys for a ride in my Magnum here one of these days. I'm walking through this area here. These are not so much show cars, and then I'm getting over closer. This is where Matt's had you get it running, you get in for free kind of area. I think that's what some of these cars are. Not real sure. Some unique cars in here though. That's a nice D200 truck, but they've got a whole slew of fun cars. I'm not gonna lie, that Super B's really neat. Definitely like that Super B right there. Having a car that's not painted is a lot of fun. Gosh guys, there's just rows and rows and rows of cars here. Everybody should be having some kind of fun. There we go. Nice Ram Charger, lifted a little bit, or a lot bit. Hey, another little Red Express. Recognize those stacks anywhere. Just thought I'd swing through the end here and catch what's here. Look at that. Nice little, looks like a Satellite or Roadrunner, not sure. It says it's not badged. Oh, there's Jeremy's car from Shade Tree, one of his Volaris he's got. I think they got a few cars here that they brought down. I think that Roadrunner's theirs, possibly. Not sure what all. But yep, I think that one's Jeremy's too. Another swinger. Oh, there's another car. Shade Tree. I don't know how many cars Shade Tree brought. They brought quite a few. Goodness. But definitely a lot to choose from, guys. I think I'm gonna cut it off here for a minute and maybe go walk through the parts for just a second. And like I said, guys, everybody should find something they like here. All right, one last row, just peeking through as we go. Looks like we got a Trino GT with a late model blown motor in it. Got a Falcon with a late model 302, old GTS. Coming across some Chevys. Oh, you know what? There's a fun car that you don't see every day. Coming up. Look at that Bel Air. Nice. Nomads. Not Nomads. They're just, yeah, they are Nomads. Both of them. Ooh, beautiful. But look at this. Hearst convertible. Almost just think this is the one that was used in the ads years ago. Oh, yep, there's the ads inside the car. Yeah, can't beat that at all. This is the original focusing console. What's neat about these cars is that hood, fiberglass hood they've got on them, on the big old Chrysler, and then this deck lid. Super neat deck lid. Tail extensions and stuff. Super neat car. I think I'm going to end it here, guys. Man, those Nomads got some expensive paint jobs. Beautiful, beautiful cars. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that little tour. I'm going to try and go get some food and hang out and have some fun down here today. Hope you liked what you saw. Definitely a show you need to come see, no matter what kind of car you got. Lots of Mopars, lots of everything. Old School Rides, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.